Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel and I hope you all are doing well. In this video we're gonna talk about SVB bank collapse, everything that you should know about SVB bank collapse and what exactly happened and how it may impact Indian economy. So let's get started. SVB bank collapse is third largest bank failure in US economy. So let's first understand what SVB bank is and how did it literally happen. So SVB is a Silicon Valley bank situated in California, and it used to work mostly with the venture capitalists and tech startups. So most of its depositors were VC capitalists, VC funds like Y Combinator, Sequoia Capital, etc., and the tech startup companies. So what happened exactly? During the pandemic, amount of deposit in SVB bank increased significantly. So what SAB has done is simply it has lended some of the money as a loan to startups and it has invested some of its money into government security bonds. Now there's nothing wrong in it. Now let's understand what exactly happened behind the scene. The Federal Reserve Bank started increasing the interest rates, due to which the valuation of these government security bonds had started decreasing. And people started withdrawing money way more highly than it's anticipated by SVB, due to which SVB had to, now to fulfill the requirement or the need of the hour, they had to sell their bonds at very huge losses. On Wednesday, the bank has announced that they are going to raise the money from global investors, which created a rapid panic in the environment and everyone started withdrawing money. First of all, the investors and promoters have sold their stock, and then later on people have started withdrawing their money. The VC capitalist and the tech startup, in one day only $42 billion has been withdrawn. Due to all of these, the regulators had to jump in and seize the bank. And now let's see how it may impact the Indian economy. Y Combinator, one of the most well-known VC funds, has invested in so many Indian startups, and roughly around 60% of the startups with Indian entrepreneurs has exposure to SVBs. And these startups includes like Paytm, Shaadi.com, Razorpay and Meesho, etc. The good thing is the US government has given the assurance that all the investment or the deposits which has been done into the SVB banks, all the depositors will not lose their money. Government and the other regulators will come into the picture and they will make sure that no one will lose their money. So that's it for today's video. If you like this video, please share it with your friends. Subscribe to this channel and click the notification icons, so every time I come up with such videos, you'll get notified. That's it from my side. Akshay Soni signing off. See you in the next video.